Hello everybody, I am Tony from Reclaim.ai and I'm here to show off all the fun and interesting things you can do with Reclaim's AI assistant, all thanks to Reclaim 2.0. So of course you can schedule things using the AI assistant, create all these different habits, different agents, decompression time, things like that, but you could also just simply treat the AI assistant like you would any other assistant and just ask it, what should I do next? So today we're going to tell the assistant, based on my meetings, deadlines, workload, priorities, focus time, and other calendar commitments, recommend what I should work on next. So we're going to let this fly, see what happens. It's taking a gander, it's analyzing the schedule, and from here it'll provide us some recommendations. Here we go. So according to the AI assistant here, our best next move is to pick one coding or project task and use this block for uninterrupted progress. Our calendar is light enough that this is the strongest slot left today for real work for the late afternoon check-in. So there you have it.